Hi love, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial you're going to see how I made her box braid including heart sections. So I just sprinkled lots of heart inside of her box braid to just add a little bit more um interest, or just for fun. Like, it was so cute. So I started off just making her box braid using the round circlish sectionings, and for the hair extension I used expression braiding hair, one pack cut into three equal sections because her hair is long. So, and we almost finished using one pack of hair, and I don't think it is easy to make like box braid with only hard sections all through. You are going to run into some irregular shapes, you know, but you can just sprinkle in some heart shapes. You can see me sectioning of a heart shape. If you want to learn how to section of a heart, how to braid a heart design in your hair, I will have the video linked at the end of this one so that you can see it in details, step by step to help you with this. If you can braid a heart shape, then this one is just easy peasy for you. So I proceed to just carve out the shape of the heart. It takes a while, it slows down the whole process, but it is so worth it. So, and then I braid it like a regular box braid. So that was how I was able to sprinkle in some of the heart shapes on her head, so that when she goes to style the hair or just open up some sections, they'll be like, oh, there's a heart here, there's a heart here. It's going to be so cute. So guys, please, as you watch, do not skip the art. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I promise I will reply to your question, your comment, and any feedback you have. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and let's continue.